Prototypes in JavaScript. Let's take a look at that. So we will first define one parent object, and this parent object is going to be the prototype for us. So here we will write let animal prototype, and inside this we will have properties, and in a similar way we will have one method. Now here we have created our object. Now try to understand this. In JavaScript, every object has a property called prototype. This prototype serves as a blueprint or template for creating new objects. It defines the properties and methods that object will have, just like the way here we have defined the method and the properties. Now we will create one child object inheriting from the parent prototype. So here we will write let cat, and then with the help of object.create method we will create the object, and inside this we will pass our animal prototype. And now here we can access the property cat.sound, and we can change it even. So here I will write meow. Now see this, here we have created another object from the animal prototype. So we are considering this as the blueprint. Now we will access the property and methods from the prototype. Here the output will come as meow. Here also the output is going to be meow. How? Let me explain it to you. So first, cat object inherits properties and methods from animal prototype, which is this one. And when we access the cat.sound, JavaScript first checks if sound is a property of a cat. So it will check it here, and we have changed it here as well. So when we are doing this console.log cat.sound, it is checking it here. Okay, this property exists. So here it will return this meow. And similarly, when we are calling this cat.makeSound, JavaScript looks for makeSound method in cat object, but since it does not find it, it traverses up to the prototype chain and finds it in animal prototype. It will traverse it from here.